Take a tiny step to each other and rotate your bodies to each other. If you're close enough, you can even skip the step, just rotate to each other, press your palms against each other. Shift your body weight to the leg closer to the partner, then push away from each other, taking a side step away from each other. Bend the knee of the leg that you're standing on and shift the body weight away, lead the hand to the side. Now, man is going to lead the lady into the rotation, same as before. Initiate the lady's rotation, shift your body weight to your right leg. Right hand around the lady's back and waist. Left hand is holding the lady's right hand. Lady's left hand is on the man's shoulders. But this time you do not have to bend your knees because we're not going into the lift. Man is going to stay in one place, dancing step, tap, something you already know, leading the lady around himself. It's going to look like this: left leg, tap, step, right leg, tap, step, left, tap, step, right, tap, step. 4 steps like this. Then with the left leg, 4 more steps without tapping this time. Continue leading the lady around. And left, right, end up facing the audience. Now let's cover the lady's steps. Rotate to the partner with a tiny step, shifting the body weight to the man. Press your right palm against his left palm. Push away, shift your body weight to your right leg. Left leg is free to start the counterclockwise rotation, which you already know. And left, right. Remember about leading your right hand above the man's right hand. Raise your left hand and place it behind the man's neck. Step onto the left leg and connect your feet. From that point, walk around the man following the sequence tap, step, tap, step. One more pointer for the man: avoid squeezing the lady too hard. Leave some space between the two of you so that the lady can easily dance around you. And let's dance. Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. From that point, 4 more steps without tapping, starting with the right leg, right, left, left. And now man is going to lead your rotation below the hand. Raise your right hand, lead it between the two of your right leg, left one, right, left, end up next to the partner, facing the audience. Let's now focus on the man's hands. Lead the lady's rotation, raising your left hand up and between the two of you, then above the lady's head. Lady is going to rotate. Stay in one place, let go of the lady's right hand and grab her left hand with your left hand. Your right hand is on her waist, you should be slightly behind the lady and on her left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.